manager of yours. I'm just a huge fan of yours. So, how can I help? And this is Chee. Wait. No. He's getting a freeway exit. Give it a push up. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Chee's gonna sneeze. Oh no. I'm gonna take out Chee's nose. Oh no. Not just happening. That was closely. It is close.